Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your payment options with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your payment options with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Once your account is created, verify your email to activate your account. Next, complete the account setup by providing your business information. This includes your business name, address, and tax information. After setting up your business profile, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, explore the Payment Methods section. Here, you can select the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, digital wallets, and bank transfers. Enabling different payment methods can enhance customer experience. Next, integrate Stripe with your website or application. Depending on your platform, you can use plugins for easier integration or the Stripe API for custom solutions. Ensure your integration supports mobile and desktop variations for a seamless user experience. Once integrated, conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Next, go to the currency settings to configure your accepted currencies. Offering multiple currencies can attract a broader audience. Then, explore the fraud prevention options to safeguard against potential threats. Activating features like radar can provide enhanced protection. Now, monitor your transaction fees in the Stripe dashboard. Understanding the fees helps in setting the right pricing strategy. If you have subscription services, utilize Stripe's billing features. Create different pricing plans to cater to various customer needs. Next, review and customize your checkout experience. Making it user-friendly increases the likelihood of completed transactions. Finally, regularly analyze your payment data in the dashboard. This insight will help you make informed decisions to further optimize your payment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.